kami yang ligan na kamao. Ang bagong henerasyon, ang bago'y dunga, ang pangasalo na natutungtong. Mga mandirig mo, mga kamoy parang tanyon. At balang araw ang isa sa amin magiging kampyon.
Welcome the fighters here inside the ring. First, the fighter from the blue corner, from San Jose, Bulacan, ladies and gentlemen, Sandy Volante. And now let us welcome his opponent, the fighter from the red corner, proudly representing Legal na Kamao Boxing Gym. Ladies and gentlemen, Brix Piala.
Ang bago'y dunga, ang pangasalo na natutungtong. Mga mandirig mo, mga kamoy parang tanyon. At balang araw ang isa sa amin magiging kampyon. Ligan na kamao, ang bagong henerasyon. Ang bagong dunga, ang pangasalo na natutungtong. Mga mandirig mo, mga kamoy parang tanyon. At balang araw ang isa sa amin magiging kampyon. Representative, kami ng Mundalban. Malamang sa malamang kami ay palaban. Walang inaatrasan, lahat pinapalagan.
Ladies and gentlemen, this next bout is 6 rounds under featherweight category, presented to us by Mayor Kimer Adan Olazo and Yumi Marshall's EM Promotions. Sponsored by B Steel Sports, this is El Puño Zamboangueño. This bout is sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board, Chairman Attorney Francisco Rivera, Commissioners Attorney Manuel S. Plaza III, and Angel Bautista. Chief of Pro Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Mr. Rodil Mandaog. The 3 judges at ringside scoring this contest in the 10-point must system will be Marvin Ortiz, Michael Estrada, and Dante Cuesta. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, Referee Keith Batolino. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing red with white, official weight, 129 pounds, professional record, 10 victories, 4 defeats with 2 bouts even. Proudly representing San Jose, Bulacan, ladies and gentlemen, Sandy Volante. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing a black with white, official weight, 127.8 pounds. He has an excellent veteran professional record consisting of 10 victories, only 3 defeats with 1 bout even. Proudly representing Legal na Kamao Boxing Gym, ladies and gentlemen, Brix Piala. Once again, to give instructions, here's Referee Keith Batolino.
All right, for this 11th match for tonight, we have Brix Piala from Cavite versus Sandy Volante from Bulacan, San Jose, Bulacan. Ito mga professional boxers na matagal na pong lumalaban at naisipakita ang kanilang galing dito sa Zamboanga City. Brix Piala versus Sandy Volante. On the first round, Piala on the black trunks, while Volante on the blue and red trunks, right on the ring. Medyo kanya-kanyang tansyahan muna on the first round. Ito ang mga dalawang boksingero. Piala trying to connect. Tinatawagan na ng pansin ng referee to box. Kasi medyo walang mga pinapakawalang suntok itong dalawang boksingero on this first round. Tinatansya muna nila ang isa't isa. They're very much careful on their moves for tonight. Kaya medyo ayun, tinamaan ni Piala si Volante sa panga, pero hindi natinag si Volante at minamatch itong power stance ni Piala with his jabs. Ayun, tumama rin sa wakas yung first jab straight ni Piala and Volante. Yan lang muna yung mga power combinations nila na pinapakawalan in this first round. Tinatansya yung isa't isa at saka yung reach ng kanilang kalaban. I'm sure pagdating ng second round, tansyado na to kung paano yung galaw ng kalaban. Ayun, tumama si Volante from Bulacan and Piala from Cavite. Tumama si Piala ay Volante. 1-2 combinations. For ayun, Volante agresibo sa round na to. Piala naman tansyado yung mga galaw. And almost 10 seconds before the end of the round. On the first round, tingnan natin kung ano yung ibubuga ni Piala on the second round. Kasi dito sa first round, medyo si Volante
And
yung
number
agresibo.
round, number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank our sponsors, Sports Plus, Signal, Be Steel Sports, and Be Steel Boxing. Also, we would like to thank the city government of Zamboanga, headed by our beloved Mayor Kimer Adan Olaso. Seconds out.
We're now in the second round of this match.
Round number 2.
Briggs Piala from Cavite versus Sandy Volante from San Jose, Bulacan. Ayan, tinan natin kung anong ibubuga ni Piala on the second round dahil sa first round ay medyo agresibo itong si Volante at wala pang naipapakita ang galing itong si Piala. Nag-aantay lang to ng timing pag ganitong mga style na hindi sinusubo yung sarili sa kapahamakan. Ayun, uppercut pero hindi tumama. Nasangga ni Volante trying to sustain the momentum, pagiging agresibo from first round, and on the second round it's Volante yung mga maraming pinapakawalang suntok. Si Piala tansyado isa dalawa lang tapos atras. Defensive itong si Piala, si Volante agresibo. Walang tulakan, tinutulak ni Piala si Volante. You're watching Pilipinas Live, El Puño Zamboangueño, and also in B Steel Sports. Magandang gabi po, buenas noches a todos, all the way from Zamboanga City. This is Radyo Man Bong Simbahon. Magandang gabi po. Briggs Priala from Cavite versus Sandy Volante from San Jose, Bulacan. Ang inyo pong napapanood sa mga oras na to. Sandy Volante. Marami na ito mga napanalunang laban sa kanyang professional fight in Bulacan. At dumadayo rin ito sa Metro Manila to prove his worth. And this man from Cavite, si Briggs Priala naman po. Maganda naman yung track record. Ayun, tumama. Si Priala, yan ang sinasabi ko. Nakahanap ng timing. Ayun. Mga straight na peg nakakawalan niya. 1-2. Umalog yung ulo ni ni Volante. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina na tansyado yung suntok pero sinisiguro niyang tatama. Ibang style nitong si si Priala Hindi masyadong nagpapakawala ng suntok. Kalkulado niya yung galaw niya Samantalang si Volante naman agresibo masyado. Last 10 seconds.
End of the second round. El Puño Zamboangueño is presented to us by the City of Zamboanga, headed by Mayor Kimmer Adan Olaso. Yumi Marshall's EM Promotions and sponsored by B Steel Sports, Sports Plus, and Signal TV. Seconds out.
This is the third round of the professional boxing match between Briggs Priala and Sandy Volante. Alright. Medyo umawat si rep doon. Ayun. Okay, Priala. Op. Medyo nabubuwal itong si Volante. Volante, nauubusan ng hangin. Kasi kanina pa siya agresibo sa kanyang mga suntok. Briggs Priala versus Sandy Volante. Briggs Priala hails from Cavite while Volante is from San Jose, Bulacan. One-two combinations by Priala. Volante naghahanap to ng benta. Si Priala hindi umaabot yung mga suntok. So this time, Volante tina-target yung bodega ni Priala. Priala is trying to connect. Ayun, hindi tumama. Hindi tumatama si Priala. Umiilag itong si Volante. Ilag, yakap. So, nagyayakapan yung dalawang boksingero. Alright, Priala Naghahanap talaga to ng lucky punch pero hindi niya makita. Hindi niya maabot. But defensive masyado, mailap itong siya Mailap itong si Volante Mailap at madiskarte. Yun. Si Piala naman may stance pero kulang Kulang yung bitaw ng mga suntok. Last 10 seconds on this round.
And of
End
the
of the
round.
round.
We would like to acknowledge the Barangay Chairman Honorables. Barangay Chairman of Ayala, Marcelito Olvinar. Barangay Captain of Baliwasan, Jamie Lee Cabato. Barangay Captain of Bugyao, Leo Resurreccion. Barangay Captain of Kabaluhay, Lester Siason. Barangay Captain of Kabatangan, Alan Dagu. Barangay Captain of Kawit, Rayson Modibias. Barangay Captain of Lamisan, Rodel Alvarez.
Seconds up. Now. Fourth round.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with Briggs Piala and Sandy Volante. Hinihintay ng tao yung bitaw ng malalakas na suntok ng dalawang ayun. Si Volante. Sa kabuuan ng yung agresibo Yan si Piala. Defensive masyado si ayun, umahabol si Piala pero hindi nagpapawat itong si Volante. Niyayakap niya nainis na si Piala, medyo nainis na siya. Up, nagyayakapan na. Nagyayakapan na itong dalawang to. Piala humahanap ng benta pero si Volante naman hindi nagpapatinag sa sitwasyon. Alright. Tingnan natin kung sinong nakalamang ngayon. Pero since round 1 ang agresibo itong si Volante from Cavite, from Bulacan. Maingat itong si Cavite boy. Towards the last round. Yan yung problema dyan Okay, so ano na to, parang showmanship na lang tong mga last seconds of the round. Ito yung Briggs Piala. Last. Wala nang power yung mga suntok ni Piala. Hindi natikyan niya.
And of round number 4. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, TV. And is presented to us by City of Zamboanga, headed by Mayor Kimmer Adan Olaso.
This is the fifth round of the sixth rounder na match between
Sponsored
ang isa sa ating mga major sponsors for tonight. Mr.
seconds out.
and Yumir Marshall Promotions. The si alam sinusundot si Volante. Volante was hit by that good straight by Piala, pero gumante si Volante at umilag. Piala nagiging agresibo dito sa panglimang round. Okay, Volante throwing punches against Piala. Piala was saving his energy on the previous rounds to get this round 5. Nagpapakawala na siya ngayon ng suntok dito sa 5th round because this is his only chance and towards the 6th round para makalamang kay Volante na medyo agresibo. Good shot. Good shot to Volante. Naghahanap lang to ng timing eh. Iniintay niyang humina yung resistensya ng kalaban. Saka nagpapakawala ng suntok. Kaya pala towards first to fourth round ay hindi siya sumusuntok. Iniintay niya yung pang-5 at pang-6 na round kung saan humihina yung kalaban na. Dito siya nagpapakawala ng mga malalakas. Barin yung Cavite. Piala is on the black trunks and red. Last 10 seconds for the 5th round.
End of the round number 5.
End of round number 5.
And Puño Zamboanga is presented to you by City Government of Zamboanga, headed by Mayor Kimer Adan Olaso. Yumi Marshall's EM Promotions. Empowered by B Steel Sports. Sponsored by Sports Plus. Signal TV.
We would like to acknowledge the Barangay Captain of Lapacan, Tonaldo Cosme, Barangay Captain of Lumbangan, Carmelito Veterano, Barangay Captain of Maasin, Julian Aribe, Barangay Captain of Manikaan, Erolin Baredo, Barangay Captain of Mariki, Muksan.
seconds out.
This is the last and final round.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the sixth and final round.
This is the sixth and final round of the match between Briggs Piala from Cavite and Sandy Volante from San Jose, Bulacan. Ito yung inaantay nating round. Kung sino ba yung makakalamang. And still, Piala is trying to get his lead in scoring against Sandy Volante. Sandy Volante is still very aggressive towards the last round. Patuloy pa rin yung mga power punches combinations na pinapakawalan niya against Briggs Piala, who is very selective in throwing his punches against his opponent. Maganda yung stance, yung forma ni Piala. Ang problema lang, hindi masyadong nagbibitaw ng suntok. At saka magbitaw man siya, umiilag rin itong kalaban na si Sandy Volante, kaya hindi tumatama. Agresibo siya ngayon towards the last round. Ito naman si Volante ay defensive kasi alam niya na lamang siya sa puntos. Jabs, jab, jab. Si jab straight si Volante. Si Piala naman ay tansyado yung mga suntok na pinapakawalan. He wants to get the edge. May inaantay siya eh. May inaantay siya. Inaantay siyang seconds pero baka maubusan siya towards this round kasi last na to eh. Hindi masyadong nagpapakawala ng suntok itong si Piala. Masyadong maingat. Okay. Yung mga bitaw naman niya hindi tumatama. Piala, ayun. 1-2 combinations sa katawan at sa mukha ni Volante, pero si Volante hindi nagpapatinag. 1-2 combinations by Piala. Tumatama naman dito sa round na to, pero umiilag na si Volante. Umiilag at yumayakap na si Volante kasi alam niya patapos na yung round na to. He's just waiting for the last 10 seconds. Pero itong si Piala, gusto niyang tapusin itong si Volante. Gusto niyang tapusin pero hindi niya makuha. Matibay din itong si Volante. Ayun! Yan yung iniintay niya. Toward the last 10 seconds na humina si Volante. Wala nang lakas itong si Volante. Yung mayakap. Tinamaan sa bayag. Tinamaan sa sa likod. Tinamaan sa likod. Si foul yun, rep. Foul tawag na. Ayan, binilangan na lang sa dapat. Okay. So, tumama sa tagiliran. Foul shot. Pero i-claim si Piala na tama yung match. Hindi dapat nag-call yung referee. So, ayan yung sinasabi. Problema rito. Tinamaan sa tagiliran itong si Volante. Humingi siya ng 10 seconds for the match. Ayun yung nirereklamo niya, yung pakalikod.
End of the bout.
This is El Puño Sambuqueño. Let's wait for the official announcement. You're watching El Puño Sambuqueño live at Vitaliano Agan Coliseum in Zamboanga City, brought to you by Sports Plus. Converge, Signal TV, BSTL Sports, the City Government of Zamboanga Mayor Kimmer Alonso, and EM Promotions by Yumir Marshall. Live po tayo ngayon dito sa Zamboanga City on this El Puño Sambuqueño.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 6 rounds of professional boxing, we will go to the scorecards. All 3 judges, Marvin Ortiz, Dante Cuesta, and Michael Estrada, scored it 59-55 for your winner by unanimous decision, Brix Piala.
Unanimous decision, nanalo si Piala. Masyadong matipid sa suntok si Piala, pero nanalo siya sa match na to. Via unanimous decision. So, at the end of the match between the Brix Piala from Cavite and Sandy Volante from San Jose, Bulacan. You're watching El Puño Sambuqueño live in Zamboanga City, brought to you by Mayor Kimmer Olaso, BSTL Sports.